How to overdraft with Bank of America. Let's get started. There are several ways to overdraft with Bank of America. First up, check if you have overdraft protection. Overdraft protection is a service that allows you to temporarily overdraw your account, usually by linking a savings account or a credit card to your checking account. This way, if your checking account runs out of funds, the money will be transferred from the linked account to the cover of the transaction. You must opt in for overdraft protection to avoid automatic declines on purchases or transactions that exceed your available balance. In order to set up overdraft protection, you can use mobile banking app or online banking. Provide your credentials and login. Head over to the services and select overdraft services. Enroll in overdraft protection. Follow the prompts to link a saving account or a credit card to your checking account. Next, opt in for standard overdraft services. Bank of America offers standard overdraft protection for checks, recurring debits, and automatic payments. This service helps cover these payments even if you don't have enough funds in your account. If you don't have enough funds in your account and you do not have overdraft protection, Bank of America may approve the transaction but charge you an overdraft fee. You can opt in for this service by going to mobile banking app or online banking, then services, overdraft services, and enroll in standard overdraft. After you have overdraft protection set up, you can make a purchase, withdrawal, or payment that exceeds your available balance. Bank of America will either transfer funds from your linked saving or credit card, approve the transaction, and charge an overdraft fee. Make sure to keep an eye on your account balance to avoid excessive overdraft fees. You can use Bank of America's mobile app or online banking to monitor your account. You can set up alerts to notify you when your balance is running low, so you avoid overdraft. So this is how you can easily overdraft with Bank of America. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.